Hello everyone, it's Age Graceful. Welcome to my channel. Today I am here in celebration of Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. Miss Anna has put out an all points bulletin for open collaboration. Miss Anna is celebrating a milestone of achieving 1K subscribers. Congratulations, Miss Anna. Anna also wants to celebrate any milestones that any other channel has had. So with that, she established this open collaboration in which I am one of the co-hosts. You see a list of co-hosts here to the left of your screen. So make sure that you go and visit all of these channels. The complete list will be found on Miss Anna's channel up under her community tab. The Grace Life channel is best known for creating easy and budget-friendly DIY home decor. Miss Anna will also take you shopping with her to the Dollar Tree and other stores for items to create her beautiful decor. In this collaboration, we were all tasked with creating a celebratory over-the-top tablescape. Here I have a small square table, and I'm going to set up a romantic dinner for two. Here is my tablecloth. It's supposed to be champagne in color, but to me it looks more gold, and it is sequined. Here is my set of china or dinnerware. I believe that it was purchased from Macy's by my mother in 1993 and given to me as a housewarming gift. The pattern is called black tie. I love its octagon shape. I'm also going to add some sequin placemats, and these are in an iridescent white. They are beaded and they could be purchased from the at-home store for $9.99. Next, I'll add some napkins. These are satin and they are in the champagne color. These napkins are unhemmed, but they do have a whip stitching around the edges, which makes it very pretty. Next, I'll add my silverware. I'm unsure of the pattern because this silverware belonged to my mother, and it was purchased when I was 16 years old. Next, I will add my sugar bowl, my salt and pepper dispensers, and my creamer dish. I'll need a set of coffee cups, a set of stem crystal water glasses, and a set of stemmed crystal wine glasses. I am unsure of the brand of the crystal water glasses or wine glasses. The water glasses belong to me and I've had them for years. The wine glasses, however, belong to my grandmother, and there's a matching decanter and 6 glasses. So with that, let's get this tablescape put together. I decided to add a table runner. The table runner is also beaded, and it's in a silver shade. The table runner was also purchased from the at-home store and was $24.99. This was not a new purchase. This was something that I already had. This table setting is for a formal occasion. The most important thing of setting up your silverware in a formal occasion is that the knife be on the right side with the blade portion facing the plate and the brand face down on the table. Very important. The water glass should be at the tip of the knife, and then the wine glass next. Your fork placement and napkin should be on your left, and the bread plate should be at the tip of the fork. Next, I added a stemmed candelabra and a bottle of wine. Now for some ambient lighting. Dessert has now arrived, and it's presented under my dome, rhinestone, encrusted cake server. Let's see what a little candlelight looks like. Now more battery-operated candles in the candelabra that are in the window. Again, I would like to congratulate Miss Anna on achieving her 1K status. Miss Anna, I wish you continued success with your channel. And to all the others who may have had a milestone that they reached, congratulations to you as well. I have one coming up in October where I will be on YouTube for 5 years. I'll have more details about that as we get closer to October. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure that you go to the playlist and support all the other channels who have participated. Thank you.